Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So at the beginning of this year, I did something a little bit crazy. I changed my degree. So I sort of shifted my degree from one that was predominantly made up of science units and medical science units to a double degree, which kept the science units that I'd already done, but added in some business units. And the interesting thing I realized in approaching this whole new topic in business was that the process that I'd been using for such a long period of time that worked really well for me in science actually wasn't working as well as I wanted it to for business. And so for the first time in a while, it sort of forced me to fundamentally rethink my approach to learning and sort of try some new things, try some new techniques, and fail a lot in the process. And so after doing just that for an entire year, I can say that I've learned a lot along the way, and my process towards learning has evolved. And I wanted to share a bit of that with you today, and I think you'll like it.